Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are again back with another market update session. Today, we're gonna analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame again, as well 30-minute time frame as well. Today video is important because at the end of the video on 30-minute time frame, I'm gonna give you one side prediction on 30-minute time frame based. Okay, so make sure to watch the video till end, and let's continue to the video. From my previous market update session, I told you BTC will drop till 18,800 and it will bounce from this area. If you want to confirm this move, you can go back and watch my previous video, the previous latest video, and you can confirm this move if you want to confirm. Okay, so without any further delay, let's continue today's market update session. If we analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame like a institutional trader, what we're gonna see, we had a bullish structure at these areas. Probably this trend line was forming. What happened next? The bullish structure shifted toward the bearish by the break of structure at these areas, and it resulted an impulse in this whole chart. How to trade in impulse, we have taught our VIPs in our trading technical analysis course section how to trade this impulse and how to trade its retracement. Basically, impulses are not traded, retracements are traded, okay, based on impulse. So that's not the stuff to be discussed right now. Okay, what happened next? We had liquidity at these areas and price came toward these areas. It bounced. Why it bounced? To trap those retail traders who were considering this to be an SND or an intermediate structure. Basically, you would call this as support. Okay, so you would call this support to trap retail traders. It took a bounce from this area and dropped again. To trap retail traders, it took a bounce from this area and dropped. So finally it took a bounce from these areas. Why? Because we were forming a potential trend line on 4-hour time frame. What happened next? This was an impulse retracement and then move down. Okay, this is how you can trade an impulse. Okay, basically this is apart from those chart patterns and indicators, this is the pro way how to trade and how to analyze your charts. Okay, so what happened next? We had an impulse in between an impulse. That's a complicated structure. We will not discuss it today, but this is how you can do your top down analysis on any coin, on any currency, on any chart. Okay, so what happened next? If we zoom the chart, what would we see? We have potential trend line forming, and this wick was to liquidate those traders who were short from these trend lines. Okay, so price moved up, liquidated those traders who were again short from these trend lines. Okay, so what is happening next? If we see the chart, we have three equal highs at these areas. Much liquidity lies at these areas, okay. If we talk about the composite man or the institutional traders, for now they are in negative positions. In order to move out of these negative positions, what they gonna do? They're gonna move the price up till these areas. Okay, because these are the areas where they are at break even, and these are the areas where they are in profit. Okay, so they can't take your orders in profit. That's why they're gonna move you out from market and kick you out from the market. But if we see the lower liquidity that lies at these lows, these are the protected lows. Its target is around 18,800 to 18,500. So as I had been telling you on my Twitter as well, I wouldn't be surprised if I see a wick till 18,500, because this wick would be to trap more retail traders in the name of shorts in order to move the price against them. Okay, so this is all the move that I am seeing on 4-hour time frame. So basically 30-minute time frame is more important than 4-hour time frame. So let's get into 30-minute time frame and analyze what is happening right there. So before we get into 30-minute time frame, this is my VIP Discord where we yesterday traded 1:3 1-inch long trade with my VIPs that achieved all its targets and gave us 90% profit with just 10x leverage. Okay, so this was the perfect 1:3 trade which we traded with our VIPs. Apart from this, we traded XLM trade that gave us 80% profit with 20x in just 6 hours, and we traded XRP trade with my VIPs. And apart from this, this is my technical analysis course section where you can see that this guy made around 1500 USD in this week. And this is my TA section course where we teach them how you can improve your analysis. And this is my gain section. You can see that this is full of greenery. So let's, if you want to join us on VIP Discord, you can DM us on Telegram or Twitter. We will let you know what's the criteria to join us on VIP. So let's get on to 30-minute time frame. What am I seeing right now? What would you consider? Because I know you guys have been trading chart patterns, and currently you are trading this chart pattern. You would see this, that you currently we have what you call this maybe a double top pattern. This is a bearish structure. So we have protected high right here, which has lots of chances to be liquidated in a while. What would happen before that? We will see a small drop in price from these areas, because this will be to trap retail traders. Okay, again, retail traders who are considering this double top pattern to be played out. What will happen next? It will move up, liquidate them, and then it will consolidate inside this area. It will move up and liquidate those three equal highs that are based on 4-hour time frame, and this will be the area where the composite man will be at break even, because in this zone he is basically in his negative positions. In order to get out of its negative positions, he will move the market in these areas. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised by any drop till 18,500, because that would be to trap more retail traders in the name of shorts. Okay, so basically this is today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, because the day when we hit 1k followers on Twitter, we're gonna start our live scalping with you guys on my YouTube. And make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.